everyone. So for today's video, Cliff actually went to his Lola's place. And right now, he's actually playing with this scooter. He really enjoys playing on this scooter, but not by riding on it, but by just holding it and just running it, walking with it. Cliff really loves being with his family and he really enjoys it, especially there's a lot of kids, his cousins are there to play with him. At this moment, Cliff, there are actually kids in here that loves to sing this new trending music, and right now I'm gonna be asking them to sing the song to Cliff.
Gising! Uy, be, wala lagi ka numinaw, be! Radcliffe, wala lagi ka numinaw! Kompleto ha, oy!
Iwasan, di ko!
Mano to tanan? Sige. Sige. Ito, dudong. Oh, numinaw na dudong, oh!
Our place here in the Philippines actually is small. We on the status of people, we are on the middle part of people. We are not that poor, we are also not that rich. So we're just on the middle. Right now, Cliff really loves to go outside, and that's where he wants to run and play. Even if it is so hot, he really likes to play outside. So even if there's no sleeper.
Radcliffe! Unsa ka? Asa man ka? Gatiniil! Asa man ka?
This is our place. It kind of look messy. That is because there are a lot of kids and they play every time. Cliff right now is sleepy, and that's why he's now falling on his blanket.
Ay, ate, magpakong mo ron natin. Ala, magpakong mo ron. Magpakong mo ron. Ate Kit, kita na kan Ate Kit. Ala. Ayaw. Ala. Kit, jaka na Kit. Oh. Oh. Wait.
After Cliff wakes up, I actually gave him some pears.
Yes. Hello everyone. So this is eating show. Nabi. Ana. Arigato. Arigato. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you, subscribers. Sabi. Kaya masuk tubig sa water. Tara, babe. Ano? Okay. Clive. Pagbuo na, Clive. Oo. Papa. You're looking for Papa? Huh? You're looking for Papa? You're looking for Papa? Okay. Ini naman. The sheep is looking after us. Sige, oo. Oo, Clive. Today the baby is eating banana. Pears. Oh. Hello, Mom. You are halfway.
So right now I'm actually trying to have Cliff cook because he's actually having issues with his poop. He actually cannot poop right away. Right now, these three little kids are so cute. It's like they are waiting for something. They look like that they are in jail, but they are actually just watching the people outside who's playing badminton.
Maligsan ko ron dire. Dili na di ay kapilit sa iyahan ko. Asa ka, Chay? Pagkat lang mo niya ali pagkat. Wala mga pinilay sa Sulat sa inaalong ha. Taas na. Ang simulo. Mataas na kayong straw. Sumunod ka rin mo dyan. Uy, sinuhulog ka itong video.